everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm going to unbox the Active2 Samsung Galaxy Watch app. And I'm pretty excited about this. This is the first time I've bought a Samsung Galaxy Watch. So this is pretty exciting. Here are the details. Samsung Galaxy Watch 2, all the different options that come with it. Here we have it. So here goes. All right. Wow, there we have it. So smooth. Samsung Galaxy Active 2. Never used a smartwatch before, so this is really exciting. Let's see what else is in here. So we have the warranty card and the quick start guide. I'm going to have to give this a proper read, because this is my first time using a smartwatch. So this is super exciting. Can't wait to start using my Active2 watch. Now let's see where the switch on button is. I'm absolutely clueless about this. Alright, so let me check where the switch on button is. This is my first time, so it's all new to me. So it says on the instruction here that the home key, power key is this one here. So I'm just going to press that for a moment. There it is, it's switching on. Samsung Galaxy Watch. Over here it says microphone is in the middle, back key on this side, pressure sensor here, so it's got speaker, heart rate sensor, pressure vent, the other side. All right, let's go. Yes, definitely. All right, so I need to download the app. What's in here? And it says before using it to charge it with a wireless charger.
Looks like I'm not going to actually have to go buy a
wireless
charger.
I might need to look into that. I might need to go buy one.
That's a relief.
Yeah, then
That's
I'd
really
need
exciting.
to connect the watch to my phone once I download an app.
Oh, how convenient is
Get started
that?
on that right away.
So nice and compact.
Well, thank you for watching this video. This is really exciting. I'm pretty excited about getting started on using my Active Watch. Have a really awesome day, everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Super exciting.
And I'll see everyone again.
I had a wireless charger this morning.
Bye. Perfect for the watch, isn't it? Oh, and it's magnetic. It really clicks on. Awesome. Looking forward to using the watch. Super excited. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Bye.